Welcome back to my Kidos Kids channel. Look at this beautiful dollhouse. It looks like a palace. Come with me. Let's go inside and explore. From the balcony, I can see everything outside. Hi everyone. Wow, so many things here. There is a slide on this side. The dollhouse is really big. I am so happy. This is so much fun! Whee! Here in the garden, I will eat tasty food with my doll. Hello friends, sit with me. Oh, you like ice cream? Me too. Wow, I love this dollhouse. Wow! Wow! Now I am going upstairs. 1, 2, 3. Now it's bedtime for me. Good night. Wow! This dollhouse was so much fun. Do you like the dollhouse, friends? Don't forget to smile and learn every day. Please like and subscribe for more learning. Bye bye.